What is scrotum temperature regulation in anatomy? Imagine a tiny climate control system right outside the body that keeps the testes at just the right temperature for making healthy sperm. That's what the scrotum does. It's a pouch of skin and muscle that holds the testes outside the main body cavity. This outside position helps keep the testes cooler than the rest of the body, which is important because sperm production works best at a temperature about 1 to 2 degrees Celsius lower than normal body temperature. The scrotum has two key muscle layers that help regulate temperature. The first is the Darthaus fascia, a layer of smooth muscle just under the skin. When it gets cold, this muscle contracts, causing the scrotal skin to wrinkle. Wrinkling reduces the surface area, which helps conserve heat. When it's warm, the Darthaus relaxes, smoothing out the skin and increasing surface area to help releases heat. The second muscle is the cremaster muscle, a band of skeletal muscle that surrounds the spermatic cord and testes. When it's cold, the cremaster contracts, pulling the testes closer to the body to keep them warm. When it's hot, the cremaster relaxes, letting the testes hang further away from the body to cool down. These muscle actions work together to move the testes closer or farther from the body, depending on the temperature. They also change the surface area of the scrotum, which helps control heat loss. In addition to muscle movements, the blood vessels in the scrotum play a role. When it's hot, these vessels dilate, allowing more blood to flow through and carry heat away. When it's cold, the vessels constrict, reducing blood flow and conserving warmth. This temperature regulation is vital because if the testes get too hot, sperm production can slow down or stop, which affects fertility. The scrotum's ability to keep the testes at a slightly cooler temperature protects them from heat damage and supports healthy sperm development. The structure of the scrotum, including the skin, muscles, and blood vessels, is specially designed for this purpose. It works as a protective system to ensure the testes stay at the right temperature for reproductive health. In the broader male reproductive system, this temperature control helps ensure that sperm cells develop properly inside the seminiferous tubules of the testes. Without this precise regulation, male fertility could be compromised. So, the next time you think about how the body protects and continues the human species, remember the tiny but mighty scrotum and its clever temperature control system. It's a perfect example of how anatomy is built to support life and reproduction.